Jehovah Babalama Kabumonyori Aye Aye. 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 Welcome back to another edition of Igbo in the Diaspora with Choma. So now we are going to be looking at food. I'm so excited because I'm a foodie and everything that has to do with food excites me. Okay, let's move on. Now we are going to look at food. In Igbo, food is called nri. Nri. Say it after me. Nri. Again. Nri. Good job. Next, we have rice. Rice. In Igbo, rice is called osikapa. Repeat after me. Osikapa. Good job. So the next food on our list is yam. I love, love, love yam. You can eat this yam on a variety of ways. Fried, boiled, and eaten with egg sauce, palm oil, or pottage. That's my favorite, or with a lot of vegetables. Now in Igbo, yam is called ji. Ji. Good job. Now the next food on our list is cassava. So cassava in Igbo is called akpu. Repeat after me. Akpu. Now, from this cassava, you can make a lot of food like gari, abacha, alibo. These are all the types of things you can make from cassava. Now, repeat after me. Akpu. Akpu. Nice one. The next food on our list is beans. In Igbo, it is agwa. Say it. Agwa. Again. Agwa. Good job. Now we have different soups in Igbo. But, they are